Experts. I wanted to talk. Hi, this is Penny with Author Marketing Experts. I wanted to talk you through today some specifics as it relates to Amazon ads because I get a lot of questions about that, and I just did a writers conference which sort of prompted this video. There's a lot of misunderstanding, in my view, about how the Amazon ads work and what they actually are. So let's start there. So we have sponsored products or product display, and I tend to like sponsored products better because they show up, not just because of where they show up, because you might think that product display, since it's here, would be better suited to you, but I actually like the sponsored products because the I can manipulate the keywords better. I just think it's more budget friendly in terms of budget adjustments that I can make and things like that. I just tend to have more success with these. Now, the trick is going to be getting from page 1 of 59, or getting from page 59 to page 1, and you can adjust that in the ads. But that's basically, so sponsored products, product display, my favorite is sponsored products. That's what we're going to focus on today. So let's go over to your ad, and you get there by going to your AMS dashboard via your Kindle account. And when you click on sponsored products, it'll ask you what book you want to promote. I'm running ads on all my books, but I'm going to pick my latest one just because it's my latest one. You'll see over here the campaign settings, so the new business card, the daily ad budget, continuously starting today. My recommendation is to run the ads continuously. You may think that that's going to start costing you a lot of money, but I'll show you kind of how to manage that in a way that doesn't really affect, that still won't cost you a ton of money. But one of the things that you should know, and I don't know whether product display ads have this happen, I assume that they all do, but when I run a sponsored products ad, I find that the ads have a certain amount of delay in them. So I don't typically start to see any kind of stickiness to the ad until about 5 days in. And I also don't see, I'll start to see the numbers kind of add up and whether or not I want to keep, certain keywords and whatnot. But I usually don't see that from day one. I mean, the ads will run, but there's a certain delay in the system. And I don't know if it's intentional or if it's something that's still maybe being worked on by Amazon. I don't really know. But in any case, if you're running your ads for a short period of time, like I know some people who run them for a day or 2 days, I don't see a huge benefit in that. I think your money can maybe be spent elsewhere. So I would run them continuously. Again, you can stop them, you can pause them anytime you want. I usually start with an average ad budget of $10 a day. It just feels, that tends to feel better to me because I can control $10 a day. I'm not going to go broke on $10 a day, right? And we'll talk about the targeting in the next video segments, and we'll talk a little bit more about automatic versus manual targeting, because this is where a lot of authors get hung up. So we're going to start off with your ad budget, $10 a day, run continuously, and you're going to pick your book and you're going to write your ad copy. And I'm going to take you through in the next video a little bit more about the keywords and whatnot, just so you can get a better sense of how to do that, because as I said, that's where a lot of authors are spending a lot of money that they don't necessarily need to pay. This is Penny, and I will see you back shortly. Thanks.